My name is Alaka Wali. I'm an anthropologist, curator at the Field Museum, and director of the Center for Cultural Understanding and Change. And I've been participating in the Rapid Inventory since the year 2000. This inventory is our 8th in Peru. We visited communities along the Napo River and then came up here to the Putumayo River and visited communities along the Putumayo River as well. The reason we include this social part of the inventory in our work is because we understand that if the communities that live near or adjacent to the protected areas are not involved in the protection of those areas, it's more than likely that the protection is not going to succeed.
My name is Teófilo Torres Tuesta. I'm the chief of the Zona Reservada Huepi. This is one of the most important protected areas in Peru because of the great biological diversity that it harbors, and also because all of the diverse ecosystems that are present here. This area plays a critical role not only for the country but also for the entire planet. Unfortunately, we are a team of only 4 staff members who are working in this area this year, and threats are really strong. This year we have witnessed the increase of illegal extraction of natural resources from a neighboring country. Often, they even sponsor our countrymen to conduct their illegal activities. Another threat is the increasing cultivation of illegal crops in the neighboring country. We're also working in coordination with the administration of the other 2 adjacent protected areas, La Paya National Park in Colombia and Cuyabeno Wildlife Reserve in Ecuador. Together, we're trying to find strategic mechanisms to jointly fight for the conservation of our natural resources.
Yo me llamo Anselmo Sandoval, presidente de la organización indígena Secoya del Perú.
The forests of Huepi are important because the water is not polluted. Fishes and animals in the forest are not contaminated. The forest is in good conditions, and it is there to feed us, to give us a good life. To protect our resources, we created OISPE, the indigenous organization for the Secoya peoples of Peru, so all of the indigenous authorities could work together. When problems exist, we can represent the area's authorities, and we can also protect our territories. For example, oil companies could totally destroy the forest. They would pollute our water, damage the animals and the entire forest. This is why we don't want oil companies to come to these forests. We do not agree with oil exploitation, even though they offer money. We're not going to accept, we won't negotiate. This is what we have agreed during our official meetings, and the local residents don't want the forest to become polluted. If our land gets contaminated by oil like it happened to the Corrientes River, everything will be damaged, and the forest is going to come to an end. The land won't be able to produce anything, and it will be poor. And this is why we don't want oilers to come here. In our social inventory, we compiled all of the major concerns, the opinions and thoughts of the community members. They all want to protect their territories. All of the communities participated in the activities, like the Good Life activity, and others that help us better understand all of the reasons why we do have to defend our territories.